How to fix iPhone not charging. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If your iPhone is not charging, then first things first, go ahead and check your charging cable and adapter. Most charging problems come from a faulty cable or adapter, so you can try using a different Lightning or USB-C cable, and you can also try a different charger adapter and make sure not to plug into your laptop. Simply plug into a wall socket. See if that helps, and if not, then you can try cleaning the charging port, as dust or lint in the charging port can block connection. So in order to safely clean your iPhone, firstly turn your iPhone off and then use a wooden toothpick or soft brush. Further, gently remove dust or lint inside the port. Make sure not to use metal pins or water. See if that helps, and if not, then simply force restart your iPhone, as sometimes software glitches stop charging. To force restart, quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button, and finally press and hold the side button until Apple logo appears. Once it appears, your iPhone will take a forced restart and your issue should have been fixed by now. If not, then if you see liquid detected in Lightning connector, then simply remove your charger immediately and let your phone dry for several hours. Make sure not to charge your phone until it dries completely. The next fix is try using a different charging method. So you can simply use a wireless charger, as sometimes the cable port or the cable might have been damaged completely. Also check for your battery health. So in settings again, tap on battery and then tap on battery health and charging. If maximum capacity is below 80%, battery may need replacement. And next fix for this issue is in settings again, tap on general and then on software update. Make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version, as sometimes bugs affect charging, so it is important to stay up to date with the iOS. Next fix is you can try to reset all your settings for advanced fixed. So in general, again, tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then on reset and then on reset all settings. Once you have reset your all settings and yet your issue is not fixed, then simply check for hardware damage. So look for bent charging pin or loose port or burn marks on cable and adapter. And if yes, then you might need a hardware repair. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone not charging. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.